Welcome to Lukman's. I am glad that you are here and you are ready to learn with me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly consider to do so because there is much more coming in this channel. Today we are going to find the value of x when you are given bracket x plus 12 bracket u square is equal to 100. There are two methods we are going to use to obtain the value of x. We want to begin with method 1. On the left-hand side, we are going to make use of the identity. The identity is bracket a plus b bracket u square. The result is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, in our case, our a is x, so we shall have x squared plus 2. Our a is x multiplied by b, which is 12, plus our b is 12 squared. This one is equal to 100. So we have x squared, 2x times 12, it will be 24x plus 12 squared is 144. This one is equal to 100. We bring 100 to the left by subtracting 100 both sides, so that on the right hand side we shall be left with 0. Then we have x squared plus 24x plus 44, which is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation whereby we have our product as 1 multiplied by 44. This is equal to 44, and we have our sum as 24. So the two numbers which will multiply to obtain 44 is 22 and 2. Because 22 times 2 is 44, 22 plus 2 is 24. So at the middle, where you have 24x, we substitute with 2x and 22x plus 44. This is equal to 0. Notice that 24x, we have substituted it with 2x and 22x because 2x plus 22x is 24. Then we factorize by pairing x squared and 2x, x is common. So x squared divided by x is x. 2x divided by x is 2. Then the second part, 22 and 44, you notice that 22 is common. So 22x divided by 22 is x. 44 divided by 22 is 2. Then you notice that x plus 2 is common. So when you factorize x plus 2, on the first pair we shall be left with x, and on the second pair we shall be left with 22. This is equal to 0. This means that x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to -2, or x plus 22 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to -22. We can check. Remember, you are given x plus 12 squared. This was equal to 100. So you want to verify. Let us take the value when x is -2 plus 12 and we square. We already give us 100. That is what we want to find out. So -2 plus 12 is 10 and we square. 10 squared is the same as 100. So 100 is equal to 100, meaning that x is equal to negative 2 ohms for our equation. Let us also verify for x is equal to negative 22. So negative 22 plus 12 we square will give us 100. Negative 22 plus 12 is 10 squared. 10 squared is equal to 100. So 100 is equal to 100. Clearly, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So when you have bracket x plus 12 squared is equal to 100, the possible values of x is negative 2 or x is equal to negative 22. That is all for method 1. We can also use method 2 to work this equation. So method 2. Method 2 is very simple. In method 2, whereby you have x plus 12 squared is equal to 100, it is we take square root both sides. We take square root both sides. When you square and you find the square root, the square cancels the root, and on the left hand side you shall be left with x plus 12 is equal to square root of 100 is 10. Then you collect the legs term together. You collect the legs term together. So you subtract 12 both sides. So you shall have 10 minus 12. On the left hand side, 12 minus 12 will be 0. 0 plus x will be x. So x is equal to 10 minus 12 is negative 2. And if you check, we have x plus 12, everything squared, is equal to 100. Our x is negative 2. You add the 12 and you square, will the result give you 100. So negative 2 plus 12 is 10 squared, which is equal to 100. 10 squared is 100. 100 is equal to 100. Since now the left hand side is equal to, this is 100, is equal to right hand side, it follows that when you have this equation, bracket x plus 12 squared is equal to 100, the possible values of x are negative 2 or x is equal to negative 22. Thanks so much for your time to learn with me. Kindly, may I hear from you whether there is any other possible value of x when you have this equation, bracket x plus 12 bracket squared is equal to 100. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.